All right, hello boys and girls. Hi, how you doing? Oh my God, here we are on the very last day of 2023. I am Ted. This is Ride with Ted, and you're riding with Ted right now. Oh my God, yeah. Woo. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have been doing. Hope your Christmas was lovely, or your Boxing Day, or your Kwanzaa, or whatever day it is that you celebrate. Maybe you don't celebrate it. It doesn't matter. I don't care. Well, I hope you just, whatever you did, I hope you enjoyed yourself. It's a happy season. It's a lovely season. I love this time of year. It's my favorite. And now that I live in North Carolina, it's not so cold that I can't ride, because here I am riding. Wow. Anyway, how you guys been doing? I've been doing all right. I know the videos have been like a little bit sparse. They've been like, oh, well, there's been a lot going on. It's Christmas, right? It's been Christmas season. I've been busy, you know, but hey, that's okay. So, been doing stuff in here. I thought I'd get out and get my last ride in for the year. It's toward the end of the day. The sun is going down, and I'm going to do my very best not to ride into the sun, but you never know. And, but hey, I just wanted to get out and just give you one more hello before the year out. And let you, you know, just basically like a year review. They do like an annual, like this is like a thing. Maybe I'll make this a thing. Every year I'll do an annual like review of the year. Why not? What the hell? Godzilla, no! Once again, I'll be, whoa! Whoa! Jesus Christ! That Zero 3D Dry Force 40-liter duffel bag.
The tobacco motorwear Roper gloves, and that would be these right here.
We're going to be talking about the Scorpion EXO ST1400 carbon helmet. That would be this thing right here, as you saw in the videos before. As you saw in the preview, is the Scorpion EXO Shake helmet. The Scorpion CT220 open-faced helmet. What we're doing is we're going to give you this review of the Scorpion EXO Covert FX helmet. This is brandy spanking new, and if you go to their website, you'll see that it's available this spring. It's not available yet, but somebody is going to win this helmet. Reference is this right here behind me. That is the Tobacco Motorwear California riding shirt. It is my absolute favorite thing to wear.
What are you wearing? Are you wearing sneakers? Oh my God, no. Don't even tell me you're wearing sneakers. Sneakers is bad business when you're riding a motorcycle. I will not wear sneakers riding a motorcycle, ever. And I wore the proper footwear. Wondering, holy crap, I smell poop. Why do I smell poop? There's your reason right there. I was riding behind a poop truck. This is fucking ridiculous.
So when one is passing through Metropolis, Illinois, you have to stop at the Superman Museum.
spoke too soon. I got hit with hail too. And I'll tell you something. That hurts when you're going 50 miles an hour. Of course. Well, it drizzled on me a little bit.
So, and it
And it's still raining, but not as hard as it was.
There couldn't be a more fitting end to this trip, right?
Headed home. Of course, that won't happen for another 4 days, but how has the year been for you? Was it a good year? Did you get lots of miles in? I hope you got miles in. We know I did. Oh man. Oh yeah. The year started out kind of, you know, it was just another year. I honestly, it's funny because my first ride of 2023 was on January 5th. That would be this video here. And it was just a get out ride, you know, just a Christmas review, yada yada, and I can do that. I can do the same thing. But aside from that, you know, the rides of this year have been good. I have not gotten as many long rides in as I wanted. Again, Sturgis was the high point. You saw all those videos. Sturgis was the high point. Did I do any riding when I got back? Well, you saw that video too. I did do a little bit of riding, but I was just so busy with projects around the house that I just didn't have time to really get out on the bike. Now, most of those projects are done, really. So the only thing I mean, I have a couple other projects to do around the house, but they're not urgent. You know, I had to get one urgent project done, but all these other projects are not urgent, so I can do them at leisure, as you might say. Without getting, well, I'll just say this, without getting political or without getting too doom and gloomy, I worry about the new year. I have very distinct worries about 2024. But I hope I'm severely wrong. I hope 2024 is going to be a new enlightening year for for me, for everybody, for the country, and for the world. But either way, I hope that each of you have your New Year's wishes come true. I have my concerns for 2024 for a myriad of reasons, and I'm sure you get it. I'm sure you understand. And I'm sure the whole world does. But I'm still going to do as I do every New Year. I'm just going to proceed as I always do. I'm going to go about my business, do my thing, take care of what and who I have to take care of, look after myself, look after my family, look after my fuzzy kids, and do my very best to continue to be the good person that I believe I am. And I will continue to be kind and courteous and respectful to other people, as you should too. We don't know what 2024 holds for us or for anyone, for myself. So the only thing we can do is go into it believing and hoping for the best and doing our very best to make sure that we've made the right choices and respect everybody else's choices and decisions and thoughts. So what? People don't agree with you. People have a different political opinion than you. So what? Everybody's allowed to think what they want. Everybody's allowed to believe what they want. Everybody's allowed to act the way they want. So there's no reason why you shouldn't respect anyone else's emotions, feelings, or how they think, what they do. That's their business, not yours, not mine. So that's what I will do. I will continue to conduct myself in the way I always have. Be a good neighbor, I always say. That's it. If you could be a good neighbor, and that includes not just the person that lives next door to you, the person that lives across the street from you, but that also means the person who's standing in line next to you in the store, or the person that's in line with you at the gas station, or the person you're standing next to at a ball game, or the person you're standing next to or sitting next to at a concert. That person's your neighbor. So there's no reason why we can't be respectful and decent to our neighbors. Because if you can share decent, good sentiments with your neighbor, it's like paying it forward, and hopefully that person will do the same. And if we all thought that way, my God, what a good world it'd be in, right? We'd be in a good world at that time. Well, hey, that's my stupid philosophy for 2023 and going forward. And for New Year's Eve, what am I doing tonight? I will have my jammies on before 8 o'clock. Mrs. Ted and I will sit down and have our dinner, watch a little TV, and then the brothers and I will gather online to play a few rounds of PUBG, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. If you don't play the game, you gotta look it up. It's a crap load of fun. It's a shoot 'em up, first person shooter or third person shooter, however you want to play it, but it's a crap load of fun. I laugh so much when I play that game. I have a lot of fun, and so we're probably going to do that from, I don't know, we'll probably play from 7 till about 10. So we'll get a few hours in, and then Mrs. Ted and I will watch some mindless TV, and then watch the ball drop, bring in the new year. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that Tobacco Motorwear Roper Gloves review. Here's my holes. Yeah, and congratulations to our winner here. Alright, whatever. So, I'm going to be reviewing the Tobacco Motorwear riding jeans, the ones that I'm wearing right here. They're going to get reviewed. That review is going to come up in the weeks to come. I'm also going to review the Tobacco Motorwear Wasteland vest, which I'm currently wearing right now underneath my leather jacket. I'm wearing that, and it's keeping the cold breeze off of me, which is awesome. The temperature right now, it's like 48, 49 degrees. So I got my leather on. I don't have my chaps on, but it's good. I mean, the vest is working great. But anyway, so I'll be doing some more reviews. I have a Vikings bags review to do. That's coming up also. Well, boys and girls, I believe that's it. That's it for now. That's it for the year 2023. See ya. Goodbye, 2023. Be safe. Want you to all be good. Have fun. Don't be a dick. Be kind. Be a good neighbor, like I said. And we'll see you in 2024. This is Ted. This is RidewTed. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for sticking with the channel. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Next year sometime. Right? Alright. Don't forget, subscribe. Please, come on, subscribe. And comment down below. I will respond to your comments. You know I will do that. And also, what was the other thing? Whatever. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And that's all. Alright, kids. You be good. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Be happy. And Happy New Year. Peace out. Peace and chicken grease. Rock and roll. I used to do it like this. Peace out. See you, kids.